Hi Sherry, it's Mark Stanton coming to you from Joseph Subaru in Florence, Kentucky, and I just wanted to show you the white Crosstrek Limited 2020. This is the car we were talking about on the phone, and it is the white 2020 Limited. It has package 23 where you pick up the power moonroof. It has the built-in navigation system, the upgraded sound system, and it does have a popular package 4 where you pick up all the other accessories. Sticker price $32,009. I will tell you the car I had to dealer trade with another dealer up in Columbus, Ohio to get it. So the car does have 162 miles on it, but they're highway miles getting it from there to here, plus a couple of test drives since we got it. But it's a black leather, and it's brand new. So pricing you'll see in the email that I've sent, but I hope this will appeal to you. And if it is the car you're interested in, as I said before, if you could get back to me today, I'd like to reserve it for you if you're interested in it, because this is a car that will not last long. I found out this is the last brand new Crosstrek that I have on the lot now. So whenever you get a chance, review the numbers. If you think it's fair, give me a call and I can take a deposit and put the reservation on the car for you. Thanks again for your interest, and if I don't talk to you before then, Happy New Year.